What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I've got a great adventure lined up for you today. I'm at Milo McIver State Park in Estacada, Oregon. Now there are a bunch of trails here and I've got a route picked out. I'm going to start off on a trail that runs alongside the Clackamas River. Then I'm going to be heading into the forest and I'll be slowly gaining some elevation, and that should lead to a viewpoint overlooking the forest and river. Definitely planning on getting some aerial footage with the drone, so I'm excited about that. Trail is probably going to be muddy, but I'm used to that, no worries. All right guys, if you're ready to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest, let's get going. So that was part of the trail that runs alongside the Clackamas River. Tough to get good views because there was just too many trees, but I was still able to get a few good ones. And now we're heading on the trail that leads into the forest. So this looks pretty good. Let's check it out, guys. All right, so we made it to the viewpoint, which is the highest elevation point on this trail. And we just have a fantastic view of the Clackamas River. Wow, really nice. And I think this is a great spot to break out the drone, get some aerial footage. So enjoy the views. All right, guys, there you have it. Milo McIver State Park in Estacado, Oregon. Great park. The trails here are awesome. Absolutely love the forest. Very mossy. And as you guys know, that is my favorite type of forest. It's also really cool that this park is next to the Clackamas River. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, despite the fact that my signal kept getting cut off. But I think I got some really nice aerial shots. Check out my Instagram, where I post some cool pictures of my hikes. Link is in the description. If you enjoyed seeing the beautiful Pacific Northwest, give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel. I want you to continue to adventure with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.